Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel, a special toolkit for self-repair of the iPhone which Apple provides for rent consists of two rather impressive boxes weighing 36 kilograms. Apple has officially launched a self-repair program in the US. So far, the company only sells batteries, cameras, displays, and speakers for the iPhone SE, iPhone 12, and iPhone 13. However, users will need a special toolkit for repairs. The company is ready to rent everything you need for a week for $49. According to the Apple Self-Repair Program website, the kit includes two cases, one weighing 19.5 kilograms and the other weighing 16.5 kilograms. The dimensions of the boxes stacked on top of each other are 120 centimeters. Fortunately, both ute cases are equipped with wheels for easy transportation. The Apple website details the contents of each of the boxes. Interestingly, for the iPhone SE third generation repair, customers will only receive one tool case. By the way, the company freezes $1,200 on a customer's credit card for renting kits until they are returned. In addition, Apple provided a penalty for each individual tool if you return an incomplete set. The undoubted advantage of renting is the fact that Apple promises to deliver and pick up these tools for free. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!